Hey, good evening, Map here. Map Investments, bringing you recap today's market news and stocks that were moving. Let's take a look at today at the indexes. Pretty much all the indexes were down a quarter of a percentage point, more or less. Dow Jones down 1.6%, down 54. S&P down 10, a quarter of a percentage, and the Nasdaq down 3.8 percentage, 50.93. Small caps, I think, were down as well. No, actually, they were up a little bit. They've been beat up recently. They were closed at 22.27, up 2.49%, and the VIX is just right under 20 at 19.72. Today, oil did go up. Oil was up about, I want to say it was close to $1. Right now we're close. We're at in the aftermarket trading in the futures at 66.48, and natural gas is finally over $3 at 3.12, and my UNG calls are working nicely. Gold is having a great day. It's at 1873 and quickly approaching 1900, and I think it will definitely get back to 2000, and I think silver will get to 30. Copper is at highs, 475. Last I checked, the dollar was down. Bitcoin has been annihilated from its top of 65,000. And we hit a low intraday about 42, more or less. And it's fighting there to retain that support line of the 45,000, more or less. If we crack 42,000, I mean, there's a lot of air down. Expected move is about 7,000. The next 11 days, 7,700. So you make your move, pick your pick there. Ethereum was at 4,000. It's back down to under, basically getting close to 3,000 right now currently. The futures are up pretty good. Right now we have the Dow Jones up 123, S&P 12, and the Nasdaq 54, and that's probably based on the weaker dollar. Let's take a look and see here what the dollar's doing. Dollar is down, and we shall probably soon crack the 90 level. It just seems like the dollar wants to go lower, and there's no reason it shouldn't. All foreign, these are the futures here in the mobile Thinkorswim platform. All foreign currencies are up. Bitcoin is having a little bounce at 545. The problem with Bitcoin is that Elon Musk came out talking about it not being environmentally friendly. So there are some other coins that are bucking the trend that supposedly are friendlier. There's one that I saw there that had some effect on some stocks called Shy Coin, like chai seeds. And they take up a lot of hard drives, SSDs, and Western Gate and Seagate technologies were up huge. Take a look at those stocks. I need to do some more stuff in those stocks tomorrow. Oil is up to 66. And me looking at the most actives all day on the options on the options board, I saw a lot of oil names heading higher. Oil is going to go over 70 a barrel soon. Gold, a lot of miners up today, and that was the common theme. Inflationary trades, technology, stable to a little bit of weakness. Small caps are up. Let's see what else we got here. Dow Jones up 113. Platinum and palladium are up. Palladium is soon going to cross 3,000. And platinum for me is very undervalued. And it should be bought. You can either buy physical coins or you can go with a miner or an ETF. Just look up platinum ETF and palladium. I want to say it's PALL. You can go with a miner called Sibani, SB. I think I have a position in them. SB. Actually, I think I own stock and options. I own stock and option. SBSW is the largest miner for palladium and platinum. Silver is on its way to 29, and I think it'll get to 30. VIX is down 60 cents. The grains are up. Remember, commodities go up when dollars go down. When the dollar goes down, commodities go up. You got all the grains are up. Interest rates, I've been stating that interest rates are going to go higher, the rates, and the Fed's going to have to try and manipulate the rates to keep them down. They cannot afford higher rates because of all the debt that we have as a nation. So that's the recap on the futures. I was very active today. I don't even know how I'm doing a video today, to be honest with you. I did over 100 trades today. To be exact, I did 111 trades today. It was a profitable day. Let's take a look at bar chart quickly before I let you go. There wasn't a lot of earnings. Earnings is dying down. I did some earnings trades, but we could take a look at it on the stock tweets earning board. I think we have Baidu tomorrow. We have a lot of retailers reporting this week. So be on the lookout for Home Depot, Walmart, Target, and all your retailers. Here are the most active options today. Tesla's under some serious pressure. I have a put credit spread there. I did a calendar spread in Apple. AT&T did a deal today, and they got clobbered. I did a little bit of calendar. I did a calendar in there. AMC, I think after hours was like at $15. Reopening trade. Oil plays, Chevron, Marathon up. Airlines were up. Amazon was up. Baidu reports tomorrow morning. I need them to go over 200. I need to blow up. I have a put credit spread there, and Baidu's undervalued. GameStop keeps defying shorts, up 20 to 180. Airbnb got slammed. That might be a decent look at these levels because travel stocks are doing pretty good. Facebook, be on the lookout for Facebook. Facebook is coming out with a cryptocurrency, and that might have an effect on the markets. I think the name of the coin is DEMI, and Silvergate will be running the transactions. So Silvergate is another SI is a stock. Take note of that. I would look into that stock. I have a position. Some of the marijuana names were up. But if you look at bar chart, a lot of the miners were up. You got Cliff up. Tilray was a weed play. Macy's a retailer. Freeport McMoran up. Banks were doing okay. It was pretty much a well-rounded day, but more like a stock picker market because all the broad-based indexes were down. I had a nice day because I'm a stock picker, and I looked for my spots. BTU, a coal name, was up huge, but you can see some of these down names were like, they're high tech and Dash, Peloton, Netflix down. Carvana was down. Lowe's, a retailer. Comcast on that deal. Newmont up 3, a miner. Beyond Meat's been punished. That might be getting to levels that make sense. Taiwan Semi, another one. Look at Seagate up 6 on the. They do the hard drives and they were up because of that Chai coin. Supposedly that Chai coin is an efficient coin. That's what I was reading. Roblox up $6. Harley Davidson up 4. I had mentioned them before. So pretty broad base. Earnings wise, let's take a look and see here. Earnings wise today, I don't think there was much. I don't know if Riot reported, but they were down almost 8%. Earnings season is pretty quiet. It's already coming to an end, which is sad because that's when you're busy and you can put on a lot of positions. I don't remember doing GAN, I think was one of them. X1, 3D printer one, Tencent Music out of Asia area. Rail, oh look, Rail got hit pretty hard. Danimer Scientific, they do like biodegradable plastic or something like that. Purple, the bed. So there's a lot of smaller companies, nothing major. I know we have some major retailers reporting this week. Tomorrow, I think, tomorrow, I think in the morning, you have Walmart, Baidu, Home Depot, pretty big names. IQ's pretty big. Macy's, C's pretty big. Bison from Asia, Hulu, NetEase. Oh, look, Take-Two, I might report tomorrow. Trip.com, Dakunu Energy, Dubu International. So there's a couple names out there for tomorrow. Did great scalping the micro futures today. Obviously, if you take a look at my fills, look how many micros. These are all futures. Futures. I did really good just playing ups and downs all day, to be honest with you. Most of my trades were futures. I did an earnings trade on X1. I don't know how it's looking. I would have to look at it tomorrow. I did a trade in United Steel, XL, Win, Western Digital, AT&T, Snow I closed for a small gain. I'll probably redeploy, but they got earnings, and I had a small gain. I want to redeploy now for earnings, but I want to have a better setup. I just closed it for a small profit. Snap, new trade. Skills, new trade. PSTH, closed and opened a new trade. NVIDIA, new trade. NetEase, a new trade for earnings. Newmont, new trade. Nextera Energy, new trade. Microsoft, new trade. Merck, new trade. Lemonade, closed for a small win. I rolled it and I closed it for a small win. Didn't like the setup. I don't like my position, but I was able to get out with a small gain. Kinder Morgan, new trade. KL is a minor, new trade. KC, earnings play. Hula, earnings trade. HMY. Oh, that's a con, a minor. HELOC Mining, another new trade. Halliburton Gold, GAN, Facebook. All these are new trades. New trades. BTU, new trade. A lot of oil and then the rest are just micros. All these are micros. 101 trades today. I made about $1,000 trading the micros. And my other positions were up nicely today. I was long. I'm still long. Got a couple hedges on. They're not doing that great right now. But overall, I'm watching, like I did a video on beta weighting. I'm watching the deltas closely in the portfolio and making sure that I watch them like a hawk and not get sideswiped by any down move. Anyways, today was a beautiful day. I'll keep recapping you on some of the stocks and some of the trends in the market. And I'll see you in the next video. Good night.